in this session we will learn how to create the circles, and for circles there is a shortcut command, that is C. You can go with C, enter, and you can create the circle. But before going with the command prompt, first I will show you how to create the circles using the menu. Now let us go to the draw menu. In the draw menu here we have circles, and if you go to circle, it will give you the complete list of the different methods to create the circles. So these are the 6 methods to create the circles, and in this the first one is center radius. Center radius is nothing but we have to specify first the center point, and then we should apply the radius value. Now let me go with center radius and read the command prompt. It is asking specify the center point. Roughly I am picking the center point. Then it is asking specify the radius of the circle. Let me take the radius as something 50. Now here we got a circle whose radius is 50. Let me draw one more circle. Again I am going to draw circle, center radius, pick the center point. Then when it is asking the radius, let me give the radius as 25. Now this is a circle whose radius is 25. So like this, using this simple center and radius, we can create the circles. Then similarly we can go to the next option called center and diameter. So if you go to center diameter, you have to pick the center point and specify the diameter value. So go to center diameter. When it is asking specify the center point, you can pick the center point on the screen. Then you can read here, it will ask you directly at the end to specify the diameter of the circle. Let me take the diameter as 100. Now this is a circle whose diameter is 100. So these are the two methods, the first two methods. Then we'll see the third one called 2 points. Now 2 points means you have to pick 2 points, and passing through those 2 points a circle will be created. So go with circle, 2 points, and you can read here in the command prompt, it is asking specify the first end point of the circle's diameter. Let me pick the first point, and after picking the first point, now it is asking specify the second end point of the circle's diameter. Let me pick the second point, and after picking those 2 points, we got here a circle. And to be more clear, let us do one thing. Let me take here a line. I want a horizontal line, so let me switch on ortho and create one horizontal line. Now we'll go with circle. So draw circle, 2 points. First I want to snap this point, so let us go with object snap toolbar. You can right click anywhere on the existing toolbar and select object snap toolbar. Then from this, let me select here snap to end point, because as I want to snap the end points of this line, let me go snap to end point. When it is asking about first end point, I am picking the start point of this line. Then when it is asking about the second end point, let me pick the other end point of the line. So again I am going snap to end point and pick this end point. So that is the reason it is telling that specify the first end point of the circle diameter and second end point of the circle diameter, as these 2 points are going to act as the end points of the diameter of the circle. So this is about 2-point circle. Once again you can see here, let me create one line, then go to draw circle, 2 points, snap to end point, pick the first point, snap to end point, pick the second point. So these are the 2 points, nothing but the end points of the diameter. Then we'll see the next one. The next one is 3 points. Now 3-point circle. So here we have to pick 3 points, and passing through those 3 points a circle will be created. Let me go 3 points. Read here, it is asking specify the first point on the circle. It is asking specify second point. It is asking specify the third point. Now after selecting these 3 points, here we got a circle. And again for this, let us take few lines. Let me switch off the ortho now, and I want to join here, so let me go snap to end point and snap this end point. Now I want to draw a circle passing through these 3 end points. So let me go with circle, 3 points, pick the first end point using snap to end point. It is asking second point, you can go with again snap to end point and select the second point, and when it is asking specify third point, again you can go snap to end point and pick this end point. So now you can see passing through these three selected points, we got here a circle. So this is called 3-point circle. The next we have here tan radius. Tan means tangent. So when you want to create a circle which is tangent to two entities and with some radius, then you can go with tan radius. For example, let me take here two lines. Now I want a circle which should maintain the tangency with respect to these two with so and so radius. Then let me go with draw circle tan radius. So here you can read it is asking specify point on the object for the first tangent of the circle. I am picking a point on this line, and you can see now when I am placing the cursor on that object, it is giving me a symbol that is a circle, and on the top of the circle we have a horizontal line. So that is the indication of tangency. Now let me pick a point on this first object. Then when it is asking specify the point for second, you can pick the point on the second object. Then we have to specify the radius. Radius let me take as 150. Now you can see this is a circle which is maintaining tangency with respect to the first line, tangency with respect to second line with a radius of 150. Then let me create one more between the same two entities. Draw circle tan radius. I am selecting the same lines, first one, second one, but this time let me change the radius to 100. So it is maintaining the tangency with the same two objects, but now here the radius is different. Like this we can get number of circles between the same two entities. Right, anyhow this is about a circle tangent to two entities with a specified radius value. And even you can take here two circles. First let me take here two circles. I am going to draw circle. First I am going with center radius. Then one more circle I am going to create here. Draw circle, center radius. Now between these two circles I want one more circle. So let me go with draw circle tan radius. Select for the first tangency, select for the second tangency, and specify the radius. I am giving the radius as 150. So this is the circle which is tangent to these two circles with a radius of 150. And again here it depends upon the point where we are selecting. Based on that the circle will be created. Now just now in this case I selected the 2 points on the top. So you can see this 150 circle is trying to touch the top 2 points. Now let me go to draw circle, same tan radius, but this time let me select at the bottom. I am selecting at the bottom. Even for the second circle I am selecting at the bottom. Now let me apply the same 150 as radius, and now you can see because I selected here at the bottom, we got the circle touching those bottom points. Now let me go with draw circle tan radius. This time I am selecting outside, completely left side, and here also outside, that is completely right side. Then let me take a radius of 200. Now you can see we got a circle which is touching the outermost points which I selected. Now same circle that is of same radius I am going to create now, but by changing the selection. You can see here tan radius. Now let me select bottom outer, and here also bottom outer with same radius of 200. Because I selected here the bottom outer and bottom outer, now this resultant circle is going to touch the two objects, is going to maintain the tangency with respect to those two objects at the selected points. So based on the point where we are selecting, we are going to have the result. So this is about tan radius. Then we'll see the next one, that is the last one, called tan. Tan means tangent. So let me take here 3 lines. First line, second line, and I am taking one more, third one. Now if I want a circle tangent to these 3 entities, directly you can go to draw circle tan. Select the first one, select the second one, and select the third one. So this is a circle which is tangent to these 3 entities. Or even you can go with circles. Let me go with draw circle center radius, one more center radius, and one more center radius. Now we'll go with draw circle, tan, 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 select the first one, select the second one, and select the third one. So tangent to these three circles, we got here a circle. So these are the different methods to create the circles, and the examples related with the circles we will see in the next session.